Today we talk about how can you log out of your account on your app. We go to figure out the solution on how you can do that on your app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go down here, you click here on more down here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then all you have to do now, you just click here on profile and security, just click on it. Then you come to next step here, it's going to show for you like this. Then you go down here, just keep going down. You come here to look out here, just click on it. So then here it's going to take you out of your account on your app. So that's all you have to do to log out of your account. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.